Hello, Fred. My name is Ken Cristiano here of Subaru of Daytona in beautiful Daytona Beach. I've seen you inquired about the 16 Subaru Impreza. Here's a little video, make your buying decision a little easier. Beautiful blue color, all-wheel drive, no bumper damage. Back seat is absolutely immaculate. Look at that floor, perfect condition. Seats have no wear and tear marks. Door skins are absolutely perfect. Has your heated seats, large screen. Tires are like brand new. Front end, no bug damage. We know love bugs are a big thing in Florida. This car is absolutely ready to be sold at that low internet price. Once again, Fred, my name is Ken Cristiano here at Ritchie Autos in Subaru of Daytona. If you have any questions, please give me a call. My personal cell phone number is 386-232-6100. Fred, if you have any questions, please let me answer them as correctly as I can. Have a great night. Be safe.